Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, kindly don't forget to hit that subscribe button, don't forget to share, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to leave your comment. So let's get straight into the video. And of course, I'm back with another amazing video. So today we're preparing pancakes. We have our ingredients here. We have 2 cups of wheat flour, 1 cup of sugar, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of baking powder, and 4 eggs. So let's get straight into the mixing. So first of all, start by adding the dry ingredients, then mix them properly. After that, you can now add your eggs into the mixture, then again mix it properly so that you can add water. So after you're done mixing everything, your eggs and your dry ingredients, you can now add water. When you're adding water, don't add a lot of water, just add a little water till you get your perfect dough. And after mixing, this is what you get. So this is how your dough should be, and cover it for about 15 minutes. After that, we can now cook our pancakes. So while cooking your pancakes, make sure that both sides are well cooked. And we have our final results here. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you really enjoyed my video, kindly don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, don't forget to share, don't forget to leave your comments. So till next time, bye.